case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The controversial case of Palmer v. Thompson began in the city of Jackson, Mississippi in 1962, when the racially segregated public parks and swimming pools caught the attention of the courts. Following a lawsuit, the district court ruled that the stark division was a violation of equal protection. However, instead of issuing an injunction, they allowed the city to manage segregation reduction at its discretion. In response, the city decided to desegregate public parks and other facilities, but in an unexpected move, announced the permanent closure of all public swimming pools. This decision sparked outrage among the affected African American citizens, who quickly rallied to file a lawsuit with the aim of reopening the pools. The case was presented on the grounds that the act of closure was a sly tactic to avoid integration, but the courts justified the closure by citing the need to maintain peace and order. The courts also acknowledged that economically it wasn't feasible to operate integrated swimming pools. The petitioners subsequently appealed to the Supreme Court, arguing that transfer of a pool to the YMCA indicated a conspiracy to deprive African Americans of integrated swimming opportunities. However, the Supreme Court endorsed the lower court's view, ruling in 1971 that the closure of public swimming pools did not violate the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment. In its decision, the court stressed that neither the amendment nor any other act of Congress imposes any sort of obligatory duty on a state to operate or continue to operate swimming pools. It further clarified that the motive behind a law isn't sufficient to call its constitutionality into question, but its actual effect is. Fundamentally, the court stated that as long as a public facility such as a swimming pool isn't denied to any group based on their race, the city's choice to close them does not violate equal protection. In this case, since the city of Jackson closed the swimming pools to all citizens regardless of race, there was no contravention of the Equal Protection Clause, and therefore, the judgment was affirmed.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.